Chef Caveman preparing conch today. Can you show us the conch? And that's what he's gonna make for dinner. So I'm gonna let him tell you guys how him do this conch from scratch. And most people know conch is a shellfish. And as I told you guys, I'm a seafood lover. When it comes to seafood, nobody don't love seafood more than me. So Chef Caveman.
I beat the conch and wash it with vinegar and put it in vinegar to marinate for a little time. Then I strain out the vinegar and wash it again. Now is the time I'm going to put a little salt and season the conch with all the seasoning what it needs. Salt, and I sprinkle on the conch all over, just a little salt, not too much. Then I get the garlics and cut the garlics fine and put it on the conch like this. My favorite season in Jamaica is a pimento leaf. Everything you got pimento.
So you guys see the pimento leaf, all green. We call it allspice or bay leaf.
Okay. Then I get a little tot of ginger.
Let me see. There you
Jamaican
go.
Ginger.
All right. He's gonna put some ginger into it, and he's gonna dice up his ginger. You know, cut it in little pieces.
This is what you call in Jamaica now scallion, but you call it green onion.
Okay, so there with Chef Caveman putting the scallion in it. Well, we have green onions.
Then I get the onion.
Okay, so now he's gonna add the onion to it. Guys, it smells really good. You can smell the onion, the pimento leaf, or the bay leaf. It's you know, it's freshly pick it from around the back of the yard. As I told you, there's a lot of fruit trees in the yard, so all you had to do is to go around the back and grab some and then get it all ready. Next, you're gonna put in there, Chef Caveman, thyme. Okay, so the next thing he's gonna put the thyme in there, and all this he's doing, you're seasoning up your conch, right?
Yeah.
Before you start cooking it. Are you gonna leave it to marinate for a little while, or are you just gonna go into the cooking?
I'm gonna go right in the cooking. I'm gonna pre-cook it in the pressure cooker.
Okay, you're gonna put it in the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
You're not gonna just leave it on the stove and let it slowly ease in.
Yeah.
You're gonna pressure it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's ready to go in the pressure cooker now. You're gonna add more stuff. Oh, Chef Caveman adding, what is that, Chef Caveman?
This is a spice.
Here it is. This is a chicken seasoning. And you know what? It goes good even with conch. So it'll give it a nice flavor. Is it all ready now to go in the pressure cooker?
You do a little bit of just teaspoon.
So put some coconut oil into it too. Okay. Wow, interesting. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning different ways to cook, right?
Then I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker now.
So now he's gonna put it in the pressure cooker, and we'll return to see how the outcome Chef Caveman comes. So I guess after I put it in the pressure cooker, he's gonna take it out the pressure cooker and finish it up on the stove. But stay tuned, we'll be back. Chef Caveman finished pressure the conch, and now he's gonna put it in the frying pan. What's the next step from here, Chef Caveman? And before you go into the next step, tell me, why did you pressure cook the conch instead of just put it on the stove and let it cook?
I will go a little faster and get it cooked soft, so I got to pressure it.
Okay, so what's your next step from here?
After I finish this now, put the conch in here. I'm gonna put all the rest of the stuff in the carrots. I'm gonna put the carrot, the Irish, more onion, more tomato, and everything seasoned.
Okay, so this is what he's gonna add to the conch now. There's some potatoes here, there's some carrots, and there's some onions in there. As you guys can see all of that right here. So he's gonna add all of this to the conch that he just finished cooking the pressure cooker. So there we go.
And give it cook for like 15 minutes. Then I put the coconut cream in it and the rest of the stuff. They're going to see that butters and things.
Okay, so you're gonna put that on the stove and let it cook for 15 minutes, and then you said you're gonna add some coconut cream and some other stuff to it.
Yeah,
all right, stay tuned. And you can see over here, Chef Caveman, you have a Scotch bonnet pepper. You see, guys, I always tell you about Scotch bonnet pepper. I love my Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is a the pick Scotch bonnet pepper. Them have the tree right here in the yard. You know, and look at this. Jamaica, Jamaica. Here we have the sorrel red stripe beer. Honestly, I drank about 3 a day since the day started. This is one of my favorite red stripe beers. Sorrel red stripe beer. They also have it in the apple and watermelon. So stay tuned. We'll be back with Chef KV continue cooking the conch. Okay, Chef KV, tell us what you just did.
I cooking some coconut milk and the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper. And I just simmer down right now, going down.
Okay, so you put in the coconut milk and you put in your Scotch bonnet pepper. And now it's simmering.
Yeah.
So you guys can see the conch is simmering in the coconut milk and the Scotch bonnet pepper. And right over here, what cooking in this pot?
You got boiled banana, sweet potato, dumpling, pumpkin, and breadfruit.
So there you go, guys. This is dinner. I tell you, everything fresh from the tree. Chef KV, much love.
Blessed, much love, all my brothers and sisters.
And I appreciate it. I'm eating good here in Jamaica. So stay tuned. There's more to come. Finishing touch of the food. Chef KV finished cook. See, you have the conch over here. And next with the conch, Chef KV, what you have? What kind of food with there?
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Banana.
And banana. And dumpling right here. Trust me. I'm going to eat this and I'm going to enjoy every bit of it. So stay tuned for more Jamaican cooking and Jamaican food with Chef KV. Just pick off the tree round at the back of the yard, and Chef KV gonna make breadfruit and saltfish for dinner. You can see him over here getting the fire ready to roast the breadfruit, and he's gonna be roasting the breadfruit right in here. Here's the breadfruit, see, they're in there roasting. The grill that you jerk. Chef KV doing the breadfruit. Chef Caveman just finished preparing the ackee and saltfish. It's with the breadfruit. So he made ackee and saltfish, and the breadfruit that he was roasting on the grill. Here it is. And this is what I'm having right now. And as I said, the great Chef Caveman, always in the kitchen since I've been down here. I'm so happy because for once I'm not cooking, someone else cooking, and I'm enjoying his food because honestly, he's one of the best chefs I know. So Chef Caveman, just heal up everyone as usual.
Blessed love everybody. Blessed love my friend.
You see Chef Caveman there.
Everybody cook after eat too.
He resides in Montego Bay, Montego Hills. Right next to the police station is Jerk Center. Yes. Okay, bless. Bing, just like magic.